Understanding Consolation Prize, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, Consolation Prize. You might have heard it in games, competitions, or various contexts, but what does it really mean? Let's explore this phrase together, ensuring you can use it confidently in your conversations. Remember, highlighting these phrases in your vocabulary can make your English more fluent and expressive. First things first, let's clarify a common mistake. Many people mistakenly say, Constellation Prize, thinking of the stars forming a constellation. However, the correct term is Consolation Prize. This phrase refers to a prize given to participants who do not win the main competition but still receive recognition for their participation or effort. It's a way of consoling them for not securing the top spot. The key idea here is consolation, which means providing comfort or solace in a time of disappointment. The concept of a consolation prize has been around for centuries, used in various forms of competitions and games. It's a token of appreciation, acknowledging that while not everyone can be the winner, effort and participation are still valued. In modern times, you might find consolation prizes in academic contests, sports events, and even friendly competitions at social gatherings. Understanding when and how to refer to a consolation prize can greatly enhance your conversational skills. For example, saying, "Although I didn't win the spelling bee, I was happy to receive a consolation prize for making it to the final round," perfectly illustrates how to use this phrase in a sentence. Knowing terms like consolation prize enriches your English vocabulary and helps you better express emotions and situations. It's particularly useful in contexts where acknowledging someone's effort or participation is just as important as celebrating the winners. This phrase also reflects empathy and understanding, qualities that are highly valued in personal and professional communication. We hope this exploration of Consolation Prize has been enlightening and adds a new layer to your English language journey. Remember, it's the nuances and subtle phrases like these that can really polish your speaking and writing. Stay curious, keep learning, and don't forget to console those who might not always come out on top but deserve recognition for their efforts. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.